'Twas a long time ago, longer now than it seems, in a place that perhaps you've seen in your dreams. For the story that you are about to be told began the holiday worlds of old. I know you're curious to see what's inside. It's what happens when two holidays collide. Our holiday tale is a tale that's quite charming, but during this season, it's sometimes alarming. So relax and reflect. Feel free to take pause while we tell you a tale about dear Santa Claus.
Before Christmas, and all
We
over the
step
house.
all the way forward, all the way into all the
Look at the
developable
one behind you, the stuffy little hung.
That's the whole story.
To see how Jack has raped their halls, kindly drag your bodies away from the walls into the dead center of the room.
Was the nightmare before Christmas, and all through the house. Not a creature was peaceful, not even a mouse. The stockings, all hung by the chimney with care, when opened that morning, would cause such a scare. The children, nestled all snug in their beds, would have nightmares of monsters and skeleton heads. Jack Skellington came here from Halloween Town. This year he's decided to play Santa Claus. But when Halloween creates Christmas, you might see a few flaws. And now, a dark carriage will take you away. Sit back, rest in peace in the black Christmas sleigh. Your sleigh will accommodate one or two more. We hope you're prepared for what Jack has in store. Will float down with ease and keep a close watch on all children, please. All good ghouls and boys must sit safe in their seats and keep in their sleigh all hands, arms, legs, or feet.
Si cuidas a tus niños, todo marchará felizmente. Los fantasmitos y fantasmitas deben quedarse en su asiento. Y en el cochecito mantener brazos, manos, piernas y pies adentro.
More rabid than vultures, the mansion was changed. All was soon covered, adorned, and arranged. And what to your wondering eyes disappears is Jack's little friend hero, the ghost dog Reindeer. Nothing here was forgotten. It all looked so pleasant. A coffin, Jack says, makes a fine Christmas present. A man in black makes a wonderful wreath.
As long as you don't get caught in its teeth. Jack's holiday vision was unlike no other. So ring out the bells. There's more cheers to uncover.
7 pearls of wisdom to keep my love bewitched to me. 6 mystic mirrors reflecting futures yet to be. On the 5th day of Christmas, my ghoul love gave to me 5 lucky charms to understand the right from wrong. 4 wheels of fortune to spin their rich and golden song. 3 hot lines extending out to those in need.
With some treats and some games, you can make a scene merry. Why, even a gingerbread house could seem scary. All at once, happy haunts did materialize, like a nightmarish painting by Currier and Ives. Sandy Claus worked his magic both outside and in. But one final touch made his bony face grin. Now what better gift on my friends to bestow than a graveyard that's covered in ghostly white snow?
Look, Zero, I think they like our Christmas. Have you been naughty or nice? I have a special present just for you. Happy holidays and
Please remain seated in your black Christmas sleigh. We will continue your holiday tour momentarily. Are you ready to resume your visit? We will continue our holiday tour in no time at all.
We've got ourselves a winner here! Claus is coming at you! Welcome to Oogie's Holiday Taste and Treat. Round and round she goes. What's your Oogie knows?
Oh, Jessica!
Hurry back. Hurry back. Be sure to bring your Santa Claus sack. I'll be waiting to open my Christmas